Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Good Life channel. Here I am once again with another video, and today I'm going to bring you another Farmers World video. Yesterday, I had posted a Farmers World video on what is up with Farmers World, and many of you have given me your love and have watched and shared the video. Thank you so much for this. So I'm back again with another video, and today I did not intend to make this video, but I have decided to go ahead and do it because I am excited. Not excited about what's happening with the game, but excited about what has happened with me in this particular game. I have been able to craft a silver membership for gold, and I was itching to share this with all of you guys out there. Finally, a silver membership for gold. I've been waiting for some time, and actually, I do not have to wait so long compared to many out there. It has been quite quick for me. I'm excited about this, and I will tell you why I'm excited about crafting this silver membership for gold. If you look here, let me pull up my Excel sheet. Yeah, here. So far I have crafted 6 times. I have crafted the silver memberships just 6 times. And in the 6 times, the sixth time I was able to get the gold, the silver membership for gold. First craft was wood, second craft was wood, third craft was boat, fourth craft was wood, and fifth craft was wood, and finally on my sixth craft I finally got the gold. It says that the probability of you getting a silver membership for gold is just 5%. But if it was 5%, I would have had to wait until this 20th craft to get a gold. But I have got it much earlier, and looks like I've got it at a probability of 16%. 16% was the probability of me getting a gold, and I am very excited about it. So what next? And that is what I wanted to share with you guys. Why am I excited about receiving this silver gold membership? So what am I going to do with this next? And that is what I want to share with you guys. I'm not going to stake it in the game. I'm not going to use the silver gold membership. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up for sale. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to put it up on the Atomic Hub. And let me pull up the Atomic Hub for you guys. On the Atomic Hub, the silver gold membership, the lowest silver gold membership up on sale is for 392 wax. Even if I put up my silver gold membership for 390 wax, I will end up getting, let me pull up my sheet once again. If I'm able to sell it for 390 wax, I will, after all the fees and all of that, I will get 355 wax. And what am I going to do with that 355 wax? I am going to go ahead and I'm going to buy 2 excavators, or craft 2 excavators for 108 wax. I'm going to craft 3 chainsaws for 144 wax and 2 boats for 86 wax at the current price, a total of 338 wax. I am going to sell the silver gold membership, and I'm going to get 5 more tools. Sorry, not 5, 7. For 7 more tools. So why am I excited to buy these 7 NFTs? Because these 7 NFTs are going to bring my second Farmers World account closer to being maxed out. And why do I want to max out? Why do I want another Farmers World account? Because I have a certain strategy. I'm working on a certain strategy where I will be able to earn up to $50 per day from Farmers World, even in this down market, even when the tokens are down in the dust. I have a strategy. I'm working on a strategy to earn at least $50 per day from the Farmers World game. And $50 per day is a big deal. In India, $50 per day will come up to uh, 3,900 rupees, 3,900 Indian rupees, and in a month that would account for 100,000 117,000 Indian rupees, which is a serious amount of money even in this down market. I'm working towards that. It would take some time for me to get there, but it is not too far away. And I even in this down market, I'm talking about even in this down market, in today's scenario, we can make $50 per day, and I'm working towards that. And in the coming days, I will be posting a video regarding this particular strategy on how we can earn at least $50 per day even in this down market from Farmers World. So watch out for this video, my dear friends. Click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and you will be notified each time I upload a video. Please also join my Discord server. I'm trying to build a community over there. I will be posting a lot of information, not just on NFT games, but also on DeFi, decentralized finance, and other crypto tokens and coins. A lot of discussions will be happening over there. So down in the description is the link to my Discord server. Click on it and please come and join and be part of the community, be part of the Good Life community. So hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and goodbye.